This is the end of the Philippines! Namutan kami ng ulan! Oh wow! Diba nakakapatay-patay? Oh, banda! Tig! Wait lang. Hold on. And... This is the end of the Philippines! No, there's still some islands over there na covered ng Philippine territory. But that's the Palahawi Island. And I think that's the Crocodile Island. Oo nga, mukhang crocodile nga! You can't see it. There's a rainbow! So, binisita namin yung pier dito sa Santa Ana, the northernmost part. And nandun kami sa pinakadulo ng pier. So nakikita namin actually yung Palawi Island, like it's swimming distance. And then nandun yung, I hope you can hear me though. And it's very windy. Like look at my hair. And it's so cold. So yun yung Crocodile Island. And ito yung pier. Actually ginagawa pa nila eh. So maraming turista. No, not turista. Pero like there's many bumibisita and sightseeing. You know, ginagawa pa nila. Namutan kami ng ulan!
A few moments later.
Pagmaman o, 5 na. 5 na isa. Nakita kaming tubig sa daan. Special tubig. Gonna show it to you the authentic way how to cook tubig. Wow! Bueno. Sarap na. Oh wow! Completely different from the tupig that we are buying from Villastis. It's delicious. Diba nakakapatay-pata to? Hindi naman. Magkano yung isang isla mo niya?
Yan ma'am, lahat-lahat po, 3 ma'am.
Isang ko?
1 kilo ma'am.
Sabi ko na, may sasawa tayo sa mga... We arrived at one of the beach here in Santa Ana. The name of the beach is NANGARAMOAN beach. So it's like Cagayan, but it's the name of it is NANGARAMOAN. Look at the beach, the homestays and resorts beside the beach. So we are going to stay here, I think. So we rented a room for 1.5, I think, and we are going to stay for 1 night. I'm going to show you a drone shot of the beach. I'm walking towards the waves. I'm gonna show you. Wait lang. Ayan yung waves. Kakatapos ko lang nakakita ng stonefish dun sa palengke. And I'm scared na meron actually akong paranoia na makatapak ng stonefish. Meron pala dito sa Pilipinas, pambihira. Anyway, look at the waves. Ang lalaki. I wanna go there. Magpapalit lang ako. But the shoreline is kind of shallow. So, madami ring rocks. Pero dun sa part na yon is maraming mga bata na nag-swimming. So, it's great for kids kasi medyo shallow. And, yeah. Hi! So, I'm charging my phone. And, nag-swimming na ako. I cannot resist the water. Hindi ako nakapag-swimming dun sa country because, I don't know, it's black and the water is kinda dark. I don't know what I'm stepping on. So, nagtampisaw lang ako. Pero right now, nasa NANGARAMOAN beach kami dito sa Santa Ana. And this is our house for the night. I'm gonna show it to you later. But for now, here's the view from, I don't know, from our porch. So, sabi ni Kuya nag-work there. It's low tide right now. That's why the waves are over there. Pero, when it's high tide, umaabot din daw dito yung water. Let's see mamaya kung totoo ngayon. And I'm excited to see. The waves are so beautiful. Ganda. Namin for the night. 2 floors. And dito yung dining area or porch. And then there's the bathroom. I'm gonna show you upstairs. So, ayan pala yung bathroom. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Anyway, yan. So, munting bahay namin for the night. So, meron siyang single bed and then foam, provided foam. There's an aircon also. And may saksakan. Ngayon naman, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung view from our window. Opening this up. Ooh! Imagine having this every morning. Oh, ganda!
Saan dito sa lababo?
Sige nga kuya, itaas niyo po. Yan.
Marunong mag-post doon, no? Ano pa yung kulay ko?
Malaki pa dyan.
Tig! Kita mo?
Ito.
Badyan, kasi may badyan. Eh, wala na.
Ganyan.
Ano? Lola, ikaw nga, Lola. Lapis yan.
Kamanan na.
Nangitsip kasi.
Na?
Ito masarap na to. Hindi, parang ano kasi siya.
Teka.
Kumakapit.
Ala, tignan mo na nangyari.
Hindi, sa atin yun.
Makita yung isang ay, nabulag.
Nabulag? Nabulag na. Oy!
Ata.
Hindi, ano niya?
Balikan natin yun.
Hindi, inborn yan. Tanggal yung nagbigay ng discount eh. Kulang yung isang mata. Yun o, nagbabago yung color niya. Ayun. Pwede nga wakan na?
Black na.
Ang vlog ni Gago. Poy minutes yun. Pero mo pala ka.
Parang dikit lang. Ha? Parang daliri lang yung kalaki.
Ano yung sabi ganyan?
Daliri lang yung pero.
Malaki yung sabi ni Jim.
Skinless.
Kunin niyo yung ano, yung shell niya.
Kamara dapat mo.
Wala, napansin naman to. Kamara, biglang tatalo niya.
Kakatapos lang namin mag-dinner. We had 2 bangus, rice, and bagoong. And we are so full. Ang sarap-sarap ng ihaw nila. And it's so cold, by the way. Nakausap ko yung mga caretakers of the resort. And they said na pag summer here, before the pandemic, it's like ang dami daw tao dito para daw palengke. Ang hirap mo daw mag-swimming. But look at the beach right now. So, tinan nyo naman. Like, kami lang ata ang guest dito sa resort na to, but there's another one over, a group over there na nagsiswimming. And literally kami lang talaga ang guest dito sa resort na to. So hindi ko talaga ma-imagine. Wait lang. Lamig eh. So hindi ko talaga ma-imagine yung sinasabi ni Kuya na napupuno daw ito sa summer and para siyang palengke.
Early the next morning.
Good morning from Santa Ana. This is our last day here in Santa Ana. That is the NANGARAMOAN beach which I showed you yesterday. And since it's low tide, may papakita ko sa inyong beach. Super secret, siguro hindi naman secret, super hideaway beach siya. And napupuntahan lang siya na hindi ka mababasa pag low tide. So I'm gonna show it to you. Wait lang. Hold on. And Tcharam! It's super beautiful. Like the sand is super fine. And then ako lang nandito. Like it's super peaceful. I don't know what's the name of this cove though. Medyo siya mabato over there. Pero maganda rin naman. Oh, what's that? Maganda rin naman siya. The sand is white. And then meron ding place for swimming. Oh, there's an algae over here. Or moss, whatever it is. So, doon medyo mabato, magandang magpicture. And dito may bato, mahirap mag-sunbathing. Pero, most of the areas is sand and walang rocks. So, masarap mag higa-higa. And this is great for swimming. So, I think I gotta close this vlog about the beaches in Santa Ana. We are checking out right now sa pinagstayan namin here in NANGARAMOAN Beach in Santa Ana. And we are going to start going down south, going back home. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video. Comment below what you think about the beaches here in Santa Ana. Hi, doggy! So, they have a lot of dogs here and pinakain ko sila, so dikit sila na dikit sa akin. Anyway, we are leaving and see you in my next travel vlog. Bye!